Good morning, everyone. It's Brad here. With just a week to go before the holiday season, now is the perfect time to start crafting your holiday emails. Don't worry because we've got you covered. We put together some great tips and tricks on how to create the perfect holiday email. Plus, as our gift to you, we have some fantastic templates that you can customize with your own unique flair. So let's get started. The holiday season is a time of joy and celebration, and it's also a great time to engage with your customers through email. Whether it's a Christmas email, a Hanukkah email, or a New Year's email, the key is to make sure it's memorable, relevant, and engaging. To help you make the most of your holiday email campaigns, here are some of the best practices for holiday emails. Number one is utilize theme design elements. When it comes to designing your holiday emails, make sure to incorporate theme designed elements that will instantly give your email a festive feel. Consider adding seasonal colors and fonts, graphics, and even images of your products in holiday attire. Not only will this create a more enjoyable recipient experience, but it will also ensure that your emails remain consistent with your brand's look and feel. With a few simple tweaks, you can make your holiday emails stand out and truly capture the spirit of the season. Two is craft creative copy. Create copy that entices your readers and keeps them interested. Make sure to include creative and informative content that is relevant to the holiday season. Keep your message concise and focused, but don't forget to add a bit of seasonal cheer to get your audience in the spirit of the holidays. Through compelling copy, you can ensure that your emails engage your readers and make a lasting impression. Three is offer special deals. The holidays are the perfect time to show appreciation for your customers and offer them special deals and discounts. Not only does it give them the incentive to shop, but it can also help boost sales. To make your offer even more irresistible, be sure to communicate the terms and conditions, such as expiration dates, item eligibility, and any other restrictions. This will ensure that your customers have a positive shopping experience and come back for more. Four is focus on the benefits. When writing your holiday emails, focus on the benefits of your promotions and offers. Make sure to clearly explain how your customers can save time and money through your special offers. Highlight the advantages of your deals and how they can help customers get the most out of their holiday shopping. Showcase the value of your products and services while emphasizing the convenience they provide. With a clear understanding of the value of your promotions, customers will be more likely to take advantage of the offers you have available. Five is incorporate social media. Incorporating social media into your holiday emails can be an effective way to boost engagement with customers and drive traffic to your website. Adding social sharing buttons to your emails helps make it easy for customers to share your messages with their friends and family. You can also get creative and include a special hashtag to encourage customers to post their holiday photos and use the hashtag to join in the conversation. This can be a fun way to bring your customers together and create a festive atmosphere. So don't hesitate to incorporate social media into your holiday emails. It can be a great way to increase engagement and drive website visits. Five is use personalization. Personalization is an essential part of email marketing. Incorporate recipients' names and other personalized information into your emails to create a more engaging and personal experience for your customers. Go beyond just a sales pitch and include a personal touch to your holiday emails. Think of creative ways to personalize emails, such as including a holiday card, a message from the CEO, and other relevant information to your customers. Doing so will help your emails stand out and build a stronger connection with your customers. Number six is make sure your emails are mobile friendly. More and more people are checking their emails on their mobile devices. So it's essential to make sure your emails look great and function properly on both desktop and mobile devices. With the right design and coding, you can ensure that your emails are optimized for both platforms, providing a better experience for your readers. Don't let outdated design or coding keep you from taking advantage of the mobile revolution. Make sure your emails look great and work perfectly on both desktop and mobile devices. Seven is include a sense of urgency. Create a sense of urgency in your emails and get people to act quickly. Offer a limited time promotion or a last chance sale to make sure they don't miss out. With limited time and resources, people tend to act quickly when they feel like they're running out of time. Encourage them to take action now and make sure they don't miss the opportunity. Number eight is include a call to action. Make sure to include a clear and concise call to action at the end of your emails. This could be a link to a product page, a coupon code, or an invitation to join your mailing list. Ask your readers to take the next step in their journey with you and make it easy for them to do so. Encourage them to click on the link or enter the code to get the special offer or access exclusive content. Take time to craft a message that encourages your readers to take the next step. Make it easy for them to do so and reap the rewards. Number nine is timing is everything. When it comes to timing your holiday emails, you want to make sure they are sent at the right moment. Too early and it could get lost in the holiday shuffle. Too late and people may already be busy with their holiday preparations. To ensure your emails are sent at the right time, you need to plan and research what time is best for your target audience. Consider the time zone differences between you and your recipients. Optimize your emails for mobile devices and test different send times to find what works best. With the right timing and thoughtful planning, you can make sure your emails are seen and enjoyed by your recipients. And lastly, test your emails before sending them. Before sending out your holiday campaign, make sure you test your emails thoroughly. Check for typos, broken links, and other potential issues that could impact the success of your campaign. By taking the time to review your emails before you send them, you can ensure that your holiday campaign is professional and error free. By following these best practices for holiday emails, you can ensure that your email campaign are engaging, effective, and get your customers in the holiday spirit. Have fun and get creative with your email campaigns, and you'll be sure to have a successful holiday season. If you're looking for help crafting your holiday email, we've got you covered. Our team of experts has put together email templates to help you get the most out of your holiday email. If you need additional assistance, we're available through the following channels: chat support on our website or inside the cloud and decentralized platforms, support ticket through our help desk inside the cloud and decentralized platforms, or email us at support@smsit.ai. No matter which channel you choose, our team is standing by to assist and answer any questions you may have. Don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help you succeed. Thank you for paying attention and for taking something away from this. It's been a pleasure to have you here today. And now I'm delighted to hand you over to Elvis for the rest of the session. Elvis.